Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn that rainy days can be fun. Let's get started. It was raining heavily outside. Little Riya looked out of the window and said, "I'm bored." Grandma smiled. "Come to the kitchen." She gave Riya a bowl and some flour. "Today, you are my little chef." They mixed flour, sugar, and milk. Riya stirred carefully. Soon, warm pancakes sizzled on the pan. "Can I flip one?" Riya asked. "Of course," said Grandma. Flip! The pancake landed perfectly. Riya clapped happily. They ate pancakes by the window and watched the raindrops dance. Riya smiled. Rainy days are yummy and fun. That brings us to the end of the story. Here, you learned. Rainy days can bring new learning and joy. We hope you like this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.